You're out in the wild enjoying the serenity of nature. But what if you need to call for help? That's where the Wuzzi alert system comes in. This nifty gadget is a fantastic addition to your security setup. With just a push of a button, you can instantly contact one of your preset contacts or the Wuzzi Response Center depending on your subscription. No matter which subscription you choose, the recipient will receive your exact coordinates, ensuring help is on the way. The Wuzzi Alert System Kit, which includes a communication device and a charging station, is available for $168. And for just $11 per month, you can get a basic subscription. So whether you're camping, hiking, or just exploring, the Wuzzi Alert System is your reliable companion for peace of mind. We have some solutions to help you protect your valuable gear. First up, let's talk about the TH9's anti-theft alarm detector. The TH9's is a motion detector that's a game changer for fishermen. Many high-quality spinning rods weigh less than 200 grams, making them an easy target for thieves. But with the TH9's, you can rest easy. It can detect movement within a 100-degree angle and up to 5 meters away, providing excellent coverage. And the best part, it's available for just $70 and comes with a built-in speaker to alert you instantly. So whether you're camping or fishing, the TH9's anti-theft alarm detector is your trusty companion to keep your gear safe. You're on a road trip in your motorhome or trailer, enjoying the open road and the freedom it brings. The scenery is breathtaking, the air is fresh, and life feels perfect. But then reality hits. It's time to deal with the less glamorous side of RV living: sewage disposal. Enter the Lippert Waste Master Replacement Hose, your trusty companion for this necessary task. Priced at $194, this 6-meter-long hose is designed to make your life easier. It features a secure eccentric lock and a 90-degree nozzle, ensuring a hassle-free connection to the sewer. The hose itself is built to last, with a strong and flexible design that's smooth on the inside to prevent clogs. The locking lever gives you extra control over the waste flow, making the process as clean and efficient as possible. So while dealing with sewage might not be the highlight of your trip, the Lippert Waste Master Replacement Hose ensures it's a task you can handle with ease. Enjoy the freedom of the open road, knowing that even the less pleasant tasks are taken care of. The pile of parts that, with just a screwdriver, transforms into a cozy retreat. This is the magic of the Quick Cabin, a modular house that redefines simplicity and convenience. Picture this: one person, no heavy lifting, and no complicated tools. Each part of the Quick Cabin weighs less than 14 kilograms, making assembly a breeze. The windows are crafted from durable acrylic, and you can place the door wherever you like by swapping it with 2 wall panels. Once assembled, the Quick Cabin measures 3 by 3 by 2.3 meters, offering ample space for 3 to 4 people to sleep comfortably. It's not just about space, it's about durability and flexibility. The Quick Cabin is designed to withstand the elements, providing a reliable shelter for your outdoor adventures. But here's the big question: is this innovative, easy-to-assemble cabin worth $7,499? That's for you to decide. For those who value convenience, durability, and a touch of adventure, the Quick Cabin might just be the perfect investment. Step into a world where setting up your own cabin is as easy as turning a screwdriver. Discover the Quick Cabin and redefine your outdoor experience. Imagine holding a sleek, flat card-like gadget in your hand. This isn't just any spinner, it's a versatile toolset. The TitanSpin's unique design features interchangeable blocks, each tailored for different needs. For the adventurous hiker, the Outdoor Odyssey block comes equipped with a mini saw and knife, perfect for tackling the great outdoors. On the other hand, the Daily Dynamo block is your everyday hero, complete with a SIM card removal tool and more. Starting your journey with the TitanSpin is easy. A starter kit including 1 block is priced at $58. For those who want the full experience, a complete set of 5 blocks is available for $215. The Lum Pyramid, your ultimate outdoor This powerful 21,000 mAh power bank can fully charge a MacBook A14 from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes. It's not just any power bank, it's equipped with a 24-watt solar panel, ensuring you have power even in the most remote locations. Plus, it features a built-in light with an impressive brightness of 600 lumens. Sure, it might be a bit heavy at just over 1.5 kilograms, but it folds up to the size of a book, making it easy to carry. And the best part, it only costs $86. With the Lum Pyramid, you're always ready to seize the moment, no matter where your adventures take you. You're out in the wild, the sun is blazing, but inside your Coleman tent it's a cool and comfortable haven. Thanks to their blackout technology, up to 99% of sunlight is blocked, allowing you to take a refreshing nap at any time of the day. And that's not all. These tents are crafted to be about 5 degrees Celsius cooler inside during the day compared to the outside temperature. However, such luxury comes with a price. The 4-person blackout Meadowood 4 tent with all its incredible features is available for $527. But for those who cherish their outdoor adventures, it's a worthy investment. Join the countless adventurers who trust Coleman to make their camping trips unforgettable. Experience the blend of tradition and innovation that only Coleman can offer. Meet the ESBIT stove, your ultimate companion for camping and outdoor adventures. Weighing in at just 170 grams, it's as light as 2 scoops of your favorite ice cream. Don't let its small size fool you. This compact powerhouse can brew your morning coffee and cook a hearty dinner with ease. Crafted from durable galvanized steel, the ESBIT stove is designed to work seamlessly with dry fuel tablets. These tablets can be conveniently stored inside the stove, ready for your next meal. What's more, these tablets burn smoke-free, making them perfect for those who prefer a stealthy approach to meal preparation. Under ideal conditions, each tablet burns for about 15 minutes, providing ample time to cook your favorite dishes. Whether you're a backpacker, a tourist, or a rescuer, the ESBIT stove is your reliable partner in the wild. And the best part, you can get the smallest ESBIT set, complete with 20 tablets, for just $13. ESBIT, light, compact, and ready for any adventure. Whether you're a camping enthusiast, a garage tinkerer, a fisherman, or a hunter, you need a reliable storage solution. Enter the System aluminum container, designed to meet all your needs with style and efficiency. This versatile kit comes with 11 different parts, allowing you to build the container of your dreams. Picture metal grid modules, perfect for organizing hooks or magnetic fasteners. There's also a wooden panel measuring 305 by 218 millimeters, which serves as an excellent stand for dishes. Need more workspace? You can even attach a 1.6 millimeter thick metal table to the side. With a total capacity of 30 liters, this container offers ample room for food, dishes, and all your essential gear. Priced at $340, it's a worthy investment for anyone who values organization and convenience. So whether you're out in the wild or working in your garage, the System aluminum container is ready to keep your tools and supplies neatly stored and easily accessible. You're out in the great outdoors and the sun is blazing. You reach for a drink, but your water is warm and unappealing. Enter Little Luxury, the world's first portable water cooler with extraordinary cooling capabilities. Using advanced NASA technology, Little Luxury can chill your water down to a crisp 6 degrees Celsius, making every sip refreshingly cool. The reusable bottle is crafted from food-grade plastic and holds up to 7 liters of water. Its wide opening ensures easy filling and cleaning, making it a practical companion for any adventure. But there's more. With a simple filter change, Little Luxury can even purify water from a river or stream, ensuring you have safe drinking water wherever you go. It also features a sturdy strap, allowing you to hang it from a tree for easy access. Originally available on Kickstarter for $90, Little Luxury came with a bonus: a list of clean rivers and streams, perfect for your next outdoor excursion. So whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying nature, let Little Luxury keep you cool and hydrated. You're out on an adventure, capturing moments with your smartphone or camera when suddenly disaster strikes. A drop device. To prevent such frustrations, the innovative team at Root Code has developed a solution. Meet the Quad Mag, a holder designed for devices weighing up to 600 grams. For those heavier gadgets, there's the Quad Mag Pro, capable of supporting up to a kilogram. These holders combine magnetic elements, a tether, and a carabiner, making them incredibly easy to use with just one hand. Plus, they come with a versatile strap for comfortable wear around your neck or shoulder. Priced at $21 for the Quad Mag and $28 for the Pro, these holders are not only practical but also affordable. The patent is already in the works, and the big question now is whether Root Code will secure it. So next time you're out and about, let the Quad Mag keep your devices safe and your adventures worry-free. You're planning your next outdoor adventure, and you need the perfect addition to make it memorable. Enter a man with a magical suitcase. While it might not be as legendary as a commander's gear, it still performs some impressive feats. With just a few swift movements, in under a minute, this suitcase transforms into a table with seating for 4. Meet Konrad, your new best friend for outdoor gatherings. Crafted from aluminum, Konrad is not only lightweight but also rust-resistant, ensuring durability in any weather. So whether you're camping, picnicking, or just enjoying the great outdoors, Konrad is ready to make your experience even better. Just unfold, set up, and let the good times roll. You're out in the wild, surrounded by the beauty of nature. The temptation to stay connected with your smartphone, portable consoles like the Steam Deck, and other gadgets is strong. But here's the catch. Many of these devices marketed for camping can quickly drain your power banks. That's where the KiteX wind catcher comes into play. This isn't just any gadget, it's a serious solution for those who need reliable power off the grid. The wind catcher promises a steady 200 watts of power at wind speeds of just 5.5 meters per second. Plus, it offers the flexibility to adjust the output voltage from 12 to 36 volts, making it versatile for various devices. And with a 5-meter cable, setup is a breeze. But there's more to this story. The wind catcher can handle wind speeds up to a whopping 25 meters per second. However, whether you can withstand such fierce winds is another matter. At that speed, the wind can easily topple trees, and risking a $1,595 generator in those conditions might not be the wisest choice. You're on a camping trip, far from the comforts of home and nature calls. You need a reliable hygienic solution. That's where the BOXIO portable toilet comes in. This portable toilet, priced at $174, is designed to make your outdoor adventures more comfortable. It boasts a capacity of around 10 uses, making it perfect for extended trips. What sets the BOXIO portable toilet apart is its innovative design. It features 2 separate containers, one for solid waste and one for liquid. This separation not only makes it more hygienic but also simplifies disposal. The solid waste container can be lined with a biodegradable bag, ensuring easy and eco-friendly cleanup. Compact and lightweight, this toilet is easy to transport and set up, providing a convenient and sanitary solution wherever you go. So next time you're planning a camping trip, make sure to include the BOXIO portable toilet in your gear. It's the perfect companion for a hassle-free outdoor experience. You're gearing up to break your personal cycling record, and you need the perfect tent to accompany you on your journey. Enter the MSR Hubba Hubba tents. Whether you're cycling solo or with a partner, these compact tents are just what you need. Available in both single and double versions, they weigh only 0.9 kilograms and 1.4 kilograms respectively. When folded, they're so compact that you can easily attach them to your handlebars or tuck them into your backpack. But that's not all. The creators of these tents have designed them with meticulous attention to detail, making them ideal for canoe trips as well. With expertly glued seams and a waterproof coating, you can trust these tents to keep you dry and comfortable. You'll also appreciate the side vestibules, perfect for storing your gear, and the impressive headroom of 1.07 meters, providing ample space when you're camping. So if you're ready to elevate your outdoor adventures, the MSR Hubba Hubba tents are just a click away. Choose your version and get ready to explore the great outdoors like never before. Happy adventuring! Imagine you're out in the wild surrounded by nature's beauty and you realize you need a versatile, reliable solution for your camping needs. Enter Surviveware compressed wipes. When you're heading out for a camping adventure, packing a set of Surviveware wipes is a game changer. These aren't just any wipes, they serve as napkins, towels, and even toilet paper, making them incredibly versatile. The magic lies in their compressed tablet form, which allows for easy storage in tubes or larger bags of up to 200 pieces. Made from viscose, these wipes feel wonderful on your skin and are highly biodegradable, so you can enjoy your trip without worrying about harming the environment. With just a tablespoon of water, each wipe expands, ready to use. They're free from dyes, preservatives, and fragrances, making them perfect for sensitive skin. Plus, their hypoallergenic properties make them a safe choice for kids and pets. And the best part, a pack of 200 wipes is affordable, ensuring you have all the convenience you need without breaking the bank. So next time you plan your outdoor escapade, make sure Surviveware compressed wipes are on your packing list. Your future self will thank you. In a quaint little shop, once part of an old tobacco factory, a group of visionary thinkers gathered with a mission to revolutionize the world of tents. This is the story of Gentle Tent, a company born from innovation and a love for the great outdoors. Our journey begins with the creation of inflatable tents that are not only easy to set up but also offer generous space. Among their remarkable creations is the GT Home Van, a versatile tent that can seamlessly extend a camper van or stand proudly on its own. Imagine setting up your cozy retreat in just 8 minutes, unveiling 10 square meters of floor space and a headroom of over 2 meters. But the story doesn't end there. Gentle Tent's ingenuity doesn't stop at the GT Home Van. They offer a diverse range of tents, each designed to cater to different adventures. From tents that can be mounted on car roofs and bike trailers to those that float on water, the possibilities are endless. Some models can even be connected to form mini apartments, creating a simple yet spacious haven for up to 5 people. Imagine a world where relaxation meets innovation. Introducing SkyNest, the ultimate fusion of a hammock and a rocking chair, designed to provide year-round comfort no matter where you are. Whether you're out camping, lounging at home, or taking a much-needed break at work, SkyNest has got your back. You walk into the office with a chair that not only rocks but also has USB heating. Your colleagues might raise an eyebrow at first, but soon they'll be green with envy over your cozy setup. The magic of SkyNest lies in its simplicity and convenience. In just 30 seconds you can assemble this marvel, and at a mere 3 kilograms it's incredibly easy to move around. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. Crafted with an alloy steel frame, SkyNest can support up to 200 kilograms, making it sturdy enough for you to take a relaxing nap whenever you need. And the best part, you can get your very own SkyNest on Indiegogo for just $97. Be among the first to experience the next level of relaxation and comfort. The GALMOBILE, a unique Israeli buggy with an extraordinary feature and integrated water purification system. It might sound like an unusual combination, but it's incredibly efficient. Imagine this. The GALMOBILE can navigate through dense forests or even ford rivers. Once it arrives at its destination, it can provide clean drinking water in just half an hour. This remarkable buggy can purify up to 20,000 liters of salt water and an impressive 140,000 liters of fresh water daily. But that's not all. It's also equipped with a system to pump water from wells, and you can control the entire process remotely. The GALMOBILE is so impressive that Israel gifted one to Papua New Guinea, a region struggling with droughts. With the GALMOBILE, access to clean water is just a drive away. Imagine setting up camp with an awning that's not only spacious and stylish but also packed with impressive features. Meet the TOPOAK Awning, your new best friend for outdoor adventures. For just $499, you get a robust aluminum frame that's a breeze to unfold. Plus, the built-in lighting adds a touch of convenience and ambiance to your campsite. To ensure maximum stability, the awning comes with 6 guidelines, making it resilient against wind, rain, and UV light. Whether you're hitting the road in a car or a truck, the TOPOAK Awning has you covered. It's designed to be mounted on the left side, but don't worry if the weather turns bad. You can pack it up in just 30 seconds and be on your way. With features like these, the TOPOAK Awning promises a truly luxurious camping experience, ready to elevate your next adventure. Meet the Euhomy, a marvel of modern design and innovation. Imagine combining a car fridge and an ice generator into one sleek unit. It's a wonder no one thought of this before. What's truly impressive is its speed. In just 8 minutes you'll have half a dozen ice cubes ready to go. The fridge itself is no slouch either, boasting a 33-liter capacity. That's enough to hold around 32 cans of soda. It can cool down to a chilly -20 degrees Celsius, and in eco mode it can run for up to 19 hours on a single charge. But the convenience doesn't stop there. Euhomy comes with a handy app for your smartphone, allowing you to monitor and adjust the temperature and other settings with ease. Plus, you'll get 2 power cables, AC and DC, so you can connect the unit to a solar panel or your car's cigarette lighter. With Euhomy, you're always prepared for your next adventure, whether it's a road trip or a camping getaway. You're tasked with preparing dinner for 30 people in just an hour. There's no firewood, no gas, and no electrical outlets in sight. It sounds impossible, right? But the folks in this video have a game-changing solution. The GoSun hybrid solar oven. This incredible oven can reach scorching temperatures of up to 288 degrees Celsius. But it doesn't stop at just baking potatoes. The GoSun hybrid can stew, steam, and bake, giving any chef the chance to truly shine. And what if the sun isn't cooperating or it's already dark? No worries, the creators have thought of everything. They've included a backup electric heating element that can be powered by a 12-volt power bank. All of this innovation comes at an affordable price. So why not make the GoSun hybrid solar oven your go-to for your next big cooking challenge? Imagine this, you're ready to leave behind the discomforts of traditional camping. Meet your new secret weapon, the Road Warrior trailer. Despite its compact size, the Road Warrior is a powerhouse, capable of carrying up to 600 kilograms. Its specially designed frame can even support a tent for multiple people. But the true strength of the Road Warrior lies in its all-potassium oxide IRS axles, proudly crafted in Australia, a country with over 550,000 kilometers of rugged dirt roads. If you're the type who loves to venture off the beaten path to find that perfect campsite, the Alco IRS is your best companion. And let's not forget the independent suspension on the trailer's wheels, ensuring a smooth ride no matter the terrain. But what really sets the Road Warrior apart is its optional 40-liter hot shower. After a long day of exploring, there's nothing better than washing away the dust and grime with a refreshing shower. All of this can be yours for just $778. So why not make the Road Warrior your trusty sidekick for your next camping adventure?